Hi friends, myself Tandil Vritik. I am presenting on AR hardware and software technologies for Industry 4.0. First, AR hardware and software technologies. In general, an AR system contains four hardware components. First is a computer, second is a display device, third is a tracking device, fourth an input device. First is a computer. The computer is responsible for not only modeling, augmentation, controlling all the connected devices, but also adjusting the position of augmentation in the real scene with respect to the position of the user by using the information gathered from the tracking device. Second is a display. A display is necessary to display the augmentation on top of the user's real vision. The choice of the display device depends on the type of interaction. The most widely used technologies are a see-through head-mounted display (HMD), which the user wears on his head, a head-held display (HHD), such as table or smartphones, or spittle display (SD), which is desired using several projectors. Third, a tracking device. A tracking device is responsible for tracking exact position and orientation of the user, and the registers the augmentation property to their desired position. Using the tracking device, the computer provides assistance of the user by processing the user's movement, gestures, and action while the user interacts with the object in the real world. Fourth is a input device. The input device is used for enabling the user to interact with the system. Some examples of the input devices are microphones, touchpads, wireless devices, mouse, and head tip device. The choice of each component depends on the application's scenario. Thank you.